I have got a banger coin for you guys. This one right here, it's pretty much can't miss. Let's get it.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Welcome to BitBoy X. I am your host, the BitBoy. Today, you're gonna smash that like button because I'm gonna give you a coin that you're gonna go buy and you're gonna make a lot of money with. I can't give you financial advice. So who cares? Listen, here's the thing. Okay, Grayscale. There was just a list put out by Grayscale. If you don't know Grayscale, it's a big institution and they have a ETF. You know, they did have this thing called the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. They turned it into the ETF. They had Ethereum Trust, same thing. So Grayscale has been involved in crypto forever, like 2014, I think, or 2012, maybe when Barry Silbert started Digital Currency Group. And they have kind of waned in their power a little bit because BlackRock, and soon to be Vanguard, but more on that later. BlackRock has kind of really taken over as the behemoth. And Barry Scheinbert, who is from Digital Currency Group, got in trouble. There's a big lawsuit, yada, yada, yada. Fast forward to right now. Grayscale just put SWI in a trust, a SWI trust. And this is just an institutional vehicle for people to invest in, like kind of like investing in crypto on the stock market is a good way to look at it if you don't know. Now, there were 35 coins that were released, a lot of ones with potential, a lot of ones. It was almost just a running list of all my picks, really, to be honest with you. There were a lot on there that I had picked. ADA, not on there. Go figure. They do have some exposure to one Grayscale trust. It's a Grayscale Layer 1 trust, and there's some Cardano in that. Yeah, read the writing on the wall, guys. You wanted your decentralization? You got it, Cardano folks. You're decentralized from the rest of crypto investors. So the thing is that on this list, there was one coin that had an asterisk on it. And I could never figure out what it meant, but it didn't matter because I don't care about the asterisk. What I care about, and we'll put the screenshot of the article right here. The thing is, there's a coin that I found last December in the Solana ecosystem, and I told you guys was gonna be a massive coin. This was one of my top picks when I did the Solana ecosystem video, and it just plunged ever since.
Neon EVM, which absolutely exploded after I wrote this, but Neon EVM is compatible from Ethereum to Solana with liquidity. And right now, it's basically at all-time highs.
And now this coin is all the way down around almost number 1100. The coin is called Neon EVM. And it is a way to bring liquidity, from what I understand it, from the Solana blockchain back and forth with the Ethereum virtual machine, which runs a lot of blockchains, not just Ethereum. Or it's on a lot of blockchains, not just Ethereum. Some other projects actually use the EVM, even if they're not the Ethereum chain. So anyways, the point is this project Neon, see a little bit about what I said about it back in December.
Neon, and here it is, beautiful. Ethereum, Neon, connects you to Solana. This is how people are gonna move over to Solana from Ethereum and crush it. Neon has absolutely killed it this year so far. It's gonna continue to kill it. I absolutely love this project.
Okay, now in December, I was like, okay, I was looking at some of these Solana coins, these SPL 20s, and I saw this one, I was like, man, this looks like this might be a good one. This one's really interesting. In January, I had already decided this is one of my top coins of the year. It's actually one of my top 15 micro caps of the year, a video I made way back in January of 2024. And in that video, here's kind of some of my reasoning for why I like this pick. Okay, now here's the thing, guys. Unbelievable pick. I think it's gonna do really well, but it's number 1100. When you look at all these other coins that are on this Grayscale list, none of them, I think, we'll put on the screen what the lowest ranked one is. At this point, I'm not even sure there's one like outside of the top 100 or 120 or 130. This one is, and I may be wrong about that. There may be one I'm not thinking of. But this one's all the way down at 1100. Solana DeFi is coming. Sweet DeFi is too, don't sleep on it. But the point is, this is a massive pick, and I think you're gonna crush it with this one. I heard it's on Coinbase. I would buy it on Jupiter on Solana. That's the way I buy Solana tokens. So, all right, guys, let me know what you think about this pick. Is it a banger? Put it down there. So I gotta be blessed. Good boy out.